To spread the good news throughout Lanao del Norte, the Provincial Community Affairs Office or PCAO, through its implementation of the Barangay Visitation Program of Governor Dimaporo, has embarked on an intensive barangay-to-barangay information drive to reach out to far-flung communities to give its residents better access to quality health services.
Kami sa Sangguniang Panglalawigan nagpasalamat sa implementasyon sa Provincial Health Indigency Program. PHIP gumikan kay usa kini ka katumanan sa pagtubag sa batakang nga panginahanglan o katungod sa katawhan nga magkaangkon og himsog nga panglawas. We support the initiative kay nakabase kini dinhi ang realization sa economic development sa probinsya. Uban ang pagtuo nga ang himsog nga katawhan mas paspas o mapadayonon ang mga ekonomikanhong kalihukan sa mga nagkadaiyang sektor. Gumikan sa PHIP, napabarog ang dugang hospital sa ubang kalungsuran. Pusa ang ISP has approved resolution aron mapalambo o mapaligon ang mga maong tangible program nga implementar sa atong pinalangga nga gobernador Khalid Quibranza Dimaporo.
Next critical component is to enhance the Provincial Resource Management Center, which is now given the daunting task to ensure the financial sustainability of the provincial hospitals. The PRMC functions are beefed up through the following Sangguniang Panlalawigan resolutions.
The Provincial Resource Management Center, or the PRMC, was reorganized and given mandate to manage and develop public economic enterprises of the provincial government of Lanao del Norte. The first project declared as economic enterprise is the operation of provincial hospitals in the province, with the ultimate goal of providing quality but affordable healthcare services at par with other healthcare providers in the province. And also, it is aimed at generating income in order to become financially sustainable.
Moving towards the new direction set by Governor Dimaporo, PRMC initiated several administrative changes to fulfill their additional mandates. Third component of the health reform agenda is ensuring the financial sustainability of the MOOE. The provincial government has successfully made the provincial hospitals financially viable, that it has now gained quasi-independence from the internal revenue allotment, a rare feat among local government units.
Sangguniang Panlalawigan endorsed a resolution declaring the hospitals as a public enterprise. As a public enterprise, the hospitals must provide revenue to the provincial capital. Ang objective ng capital is not necessarily na magiging business ang mga hospitals. Ang objective ng capital is that the hospitals will be financially independent. Hindi na kailangan nila yung ira ng Kapitolyo. And by doing this, masustain nila ang operations nila. Hindi nila kailangan ng IRA para sa sahod, hindi nila kailangan ng IRA para sa gamot, ay yung mga ibang requirements nila. But at the same time also, Kung may profit o kung may kita ang mga hospitals, I will make sure that it will be reinvested in the healthcare system of Lanao del Norte to improve the quality of our services to the people of the province. Yan ang objective ng Kapitolyo. Yan ang objective ng akong administrasyon.
The fourth component of the health reform program is the human resource management. Realizing that human capital is the most important asset of any organization, the Personnel Office of the provincial government has put in place a stringent screening process for job applicants. The Personnel Selection Board, or PSB, was created by virtue of Executive Order No. 5, Series of 2008, to select only the most qualified and service-oriented individuals who can efficiently perform their duties and further elevate the quality of service provided by the provincial government.
The provincial government of Lanao del Norte has a very objective hiring process under the leadership of Governor Muhammad Khalid Quibranza di Mapuro. Hiring process always goes through the PSB or the Personnel Selection Board. So the selection board was reconstituted per Executive Order 5 Series of 2008. The chairman of the PSB is the Honorable Governor or his authorized representative in his absence, our Provincial Administrator, Mr. Celito Quibranza. Members are the HRMO, the department head where the vacancy exists, and one employee elected from an assembly for the first level, and the other for the second level also elected from an assembly.
To make the compensation package of medical officers more attractive, especially to interested doctor applicants, the provincial government, through its Human Resource Management Office, has enhanced the compensation package for medical officers from salary grade 18 to salary grade 23 in full implementation of the Salary Standardization Law. Provincial doctors also regularly receive a significant amount of incentive through a sharing scheme from the PhilHealth professional fee. Successful applicants also get to enjoy permanent employment status after the required employment period for doctors. These and other perks make Lanao del Norte's compensation package at par, if not better, than even those offered by major metropolitan cities. A major component that needs significant amount of improvement is the infrastructure development and capital overlay. Right after being sworn in as the youngest governor in the country, Governor Khalid di Mapuro immediately went to work and implemented several infrastructure projects in the provincial hospitals to make it more appealing to local patients and enable the government hospitals to compete with private hospitals in the area. Here are some of the completed infrastructure projects. To augment also the support services of barangays, the Lanao del Norte provincial government distributed multi-cabs to the barangays to enable them to cater to the various transportation needs of the residents, particularly the poor.
Ang multi-cab gamitonon gid mo diri sa barangay, labi na katong mga pamilya nga nag dunay mga masakiton. So among dalon ipadala ngadto sa ospital. And then ugon sa pod ang mga kalihukan sa munisipyo, sa probinsya, magamit usab sa mga katauhan dinhi sa among barangay. O o labinag na ay mga aksidente nga mahitabo diri sa among barangay kay kini among barangay grabe ka mga kanang aksidente daghan kaayong mahitabo. So usap pod nga amo pong magamit ang among multicam sa barangay. Si nagapasalamat gyud mi sa provincial governor nga si Honorable Muhammad Khalid Kibranza di Mapuro sa iyang paghatag nining multicam dinhi sa among barangay kay among nakita nga kini dako kayo ikatabang labi na layo kay mi sa munisipyo sa Kulambugan o sa